My name is Leah Pruett, and I'm a top fuel driver for Don Schumacher Racing, which essentially, what is that, right? I'm a professional drag racer. I go 335 miles an hour, and I drive one of the most powerful machines in the entire universe. How do you get to be a top fuel driver? How do you become a professional race car driver? And there really is no essential roadmap. For me, there were about 20 different viable steps, and it all started at the bottom. Racing a junior dragster with my family, learning to work on that car, learning how to change those engines, sprockets, tune it. But what sealed the deal for me was the moment I came out of those grandstands and I went into the pit and I saw what these teams were doing. I saw them tear down in this like miraculous, synced up mechanical ballet, so to speak, and they had 60 minutes to turn it around. And seeing the pressure that they overcame. I'm 13 years old. I don't really know what I'm looking at. I see an injector and these heads and this block, and I don't know what's going on, but it intrigued me. I had a little, 10 horsepower Briggs & Stratton engine. I thought I was doing things in a junior, and then that was the direct connection of what I'm doing, and that's the big dogs. Not just I'm racing on the track and I want to go fast. It was seeing with my own eyes these men working with their hands, making this car go 300 miles an hour and chasing their dream.